Hey, thanks for joining us for another segment of Canadian Bacon Stocks. Today's trading platforms and brokers for the weekend, August the 27th, 2023. So we're going to get right into it. I tell you, there's a lot of great trading platforms. Oh, I just got to get a special shout out before we get into these trading platforms to a couple of great guys that put on a live trading YouTube show Monday to Friday, every day. It's informative, entertaining, engaging, exciting. It tears me to say that, but it's also fantastic. It taught me many productive ways of trading and caution. So thanks, Neil and Sean. I can't name the name of the show, I've been told, but I can tell you it's super fantastic. It's always a learning experience, and it's great knowledge to have, and a couple of great guys, and I'll keep watching, and I inject a few tidbits into my show because of their great knowledge, and I appreciate it. So moving right into your trading platforms today, I've selected TradingView here, and this is what I use. And just to let you know, we don't Canadian Bacon at any segments. We never promote companies or sell their products. Okay, we're just here to furnish you information for the Canadian stock industry, to make things a little better for you, a little easier, a little more information, so you can make a educational and informed decisions when you're making some trades. So we just like the products that we're going to show you today because we're customer, and we like the products. It's so simple as that. This TradingView that I'm showing you today is a great platform in respects to it's free. So the free setup, I'm going to show you some of the screens you can get with the free setup. It's just that it runs ads and so forth, so you don't mind the ads, which are all over the place in the industry these days on every platform. If you don't want the ads, you pay for the membership price, and then you can also speed up your trade actions and the information on the stock exchanges, so you can change from 15 minutes to get it all the way down to a minute or maybe even less. So that's TradingView. So looking at TradingView real quickly, because my friends only give me 11 minutes and 44 seconds to get this done. They asked me to just put this together for you. So right on the TradingView, and listen, there's a ton of apps out there and great trading platforms. There's at least 8 or 9 that I could talk about. It just happens I'm talking about this one today. But the way they've streamlined operations in these platforms, as I'm going to show you right now, choose any one of them. There's like 8 or 9 of them, and I'm using this one. Once again, it's free. And this is the, let's take a look on their super charts on the Canadian Bacon segment for trading platforms and brokers today. Look at what they have on the web app. So it's a nice textures, good colors. You can go with the white screens if you want. This one's in the black, and then you have the desktop apps. Look at this. This is slick. So very nice screens, great information, good layout. Let you make informed stock decisions quickly and informative. And this guy has 6 screens. So this is the TradingView, right? And you can get that online, and it's once again it's free. You can get the web app in that mode, or the desktop app, or one of my favorites in the tablet and mobile, which is very nice. Look at that go. So that's a super streamlined operation in a great app, and they're always updating their technology with TradingView. So just check it out. If you already using an existing platform, you can try to plug and play on this one with your interactive broker, or your broker of your choice, of course. And let's move on to what they have in the products. So they got super charts, they got screeners for the. I'm going to show you a couple of the Stock 2.0, cryptos, ETFs, economic calendars, which is great. And we got the community for the overview, live stream, trade ideas, which is great. You got trending ideas, video ideas, cryptocurrencies, forex, futures, bonds, educational ideas. You got risk management, trading plans, trading tools, trading psychology, trading view tips. You got scripts, These guys set up these custom scripts for you so it can, configure your stocks for entries and exit points, indicator strategies, libraries. It's incredible. That's the community in the markets. Look at this. You got the general overview, then you can go to whatever country you prefer, Canada, UK, Germany. Sparks is really interesting because that'll give you trending information, crypto, finance, transport and logistics. And then you got assets all the way to after-hour movers in the stocks, pre-market movers, most active, top losers, top gainers. The list goes on and on. What an educational event with this particular app, and it's free. So you get the Forex, and then we have over at the news, you got market news, stocks, crypto, Forex, corporate activity. You got the insider trading, press releases. Publishers, you got all the publishers at Market Watch to MT Newswires, Trading Views, even on their bar chart, global market news and market analysis news, and which is great. So a wonderful platform. I endorse and advocate it, right? I don't sell it. I'm recommending you check it out for free. If you like it, you upgrade and take it from there. So that's how this Trading View is now. With the with the stock screen. Sorry, with the there we go. We're coming up to it now. I'll get to it sometime. I use Interactive Brokers, but you can use any broker that you want, and that's where we move to this screen. Sorry about that. I flip-flopped all over, and that's probably going to let me segue over to our sizzle stocks of the day. We got NVIDIA coming up next week for Stock Focus, right? And that's crispy, turn me over, I'm done on this side. Not the case for NVIDIA. Maple flavored bacon may be on the NVIDIA chips. Let's check it out. So moving on the screen, just my little segue there, you can see Alpaca. I mean, I think there's 36 different online brokers you can use for this trading view. As I mentioned, I use the Interactive Brokers. And the Interactive Brokers is nice. In a summation, you can use any of them, right? This one is nice because I think it's a $0 minimum deposit, which is really good. And you just check them out online, right? There's a ton of great brokers out there. This is the one I've been using, but I tell you, it's $1 a trade for my in and outs, and probably less if you're trading with larger volumes or in different indexes and ETFs, whatever you're using. The trade amount will fluctuate, but I'm $1 a trade, Canadian dollar, which is fantastic. The banks have a few great ones too. You have the TD, and I used to be with the Royal, so there's lots of banks that have online trading. This particular platform allows you to plug and play with the trading view. So the trading view and the interactive broker plug and play, so you can make your trades through this platform. If you're using the Royal Bank, then you can't plug and play. It was just a selection of brokers that I showed you. So some of them, like as I mentioned, the RBC. The RBC is its own broker. They go through their own system on the RBC account. The amounts are different. I won't get into that, but you check them out. You'll see that it could be 9 or 10 times more with a bank than it is with something like Interactive Brokers. I have a really clean service. Nothing's really dropped on me. Great trades, fast and accurate, and that's why I endorse and advocate them. And I don't sell them. They don't know me from Adam. I just really think it's a great product. Check it out. See what you think. So I flipped around on all these screens, and then I moved. Sorry about that. I had a technical error. I moved to the big stock screener 2.0 for the Monday coming up on August the 28th. Let's check it out. I think I'm running out of time at 9 minutes and 40 seconds. My friends are going to kill me. Doubled stock. Now I have the doubled, and the doubled today is large cap stocks that have doubled their market cap in the last year. You got VinFast, you've probably heard of Meta, World Wrestling Entertainment, Super Microcomputer, NVIDIA, Rolls-Royce, Ventus. The list goes on and on. Oh, Royal Caribbean Cruises is up there too. That's doubled. Large cap stocks that have doubled their market cap in the last year. Big blue chip. There's only one on the Canadian market. I mean, I know I'm showing you the U.S. markets, but you know they're part and parcel. They're tethered at the waist. I'll show you on the, just to show you, if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you the blue chip on the Canadian market. What we have is my big players. It was the doubled ones. The only one that was doubled was the NVIDIA. Okay, I apologize. Blue chip. Look at the Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, NVIDIA, Meta. These are all the Canadian ones I was showing you in the last couple of segments. Salesforce, Netflix, AMD, Shopify on both, and PayPal. Nice ones. Check those out. Jot a few of those down. Watch how they behave, and maybe take some action on them. You just got to watch them for a few days, maybe 2 weeks, and look at them the long term too, what they've been doing for the last 6 months or so. Growing. Let's get to this real quick. Bullish and undervalued, technically and fundamentally undervalued stocks. Right on the U.S. market, it's Mitsubishi, Mizuho, Interactive Brokers is on there. That's bullish and undervalued, right? Société Générale and Impex Corp. Those are a few of those. Last but not least on my chart today, the dividend kings, predictable and high dividend yield stocks portfolio. Let's see. I did show the Canadian side of this. That's predictable and high dividend yield stocks for portfolio. Northwest Healthcare is number one. Canoe EIT on the income. Labrador Iron, Allied Props, Freehold Royalties. On the American side of things, just to check it real quick, we got Orient Overseas. Hapag-Lloyd is in there. PT Indo, another Hapag-Lloyd. So those are some of those interesting trades and stocks to look out for. Just showing you some of the partners that are with TradingView, some of your choices. To jot these down too. These are some of the brokers, right? Some of them zero. You don't need any money. 10,000. You open up an account with $100 or $200. This one's $50. That's FXCM. Then you got 8 cap, right? $500 deposit. This one Olanda, and that's look at that, 50-to-1 max leverage. And Forex.com, very good. The Interactive Brokers, as I mentioned to you, and FX Open. So those are some of the choices that we have. So we're done for the day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that this has been a good session and short section in respects to showing you the trading platforms, what they can do, what's available to you on the market, and it's free. The TradingView is free. Check it out. It could really enhance your trading. Anyways, have a great trading week next week. I hope everything works out for you guys. Thank you very much for joining us for the segment today. Canadian Bacon for August the 27th, 2023. We'll catch up with you later in the week with the NVIDIA, and we'll do an in-depth search on that and show you some information that I found out. So anyways, thanks again for joining us at Canadian Bacon. Have a nice week.